Question 2. Explain how the chart above may be misleading. Now, usually when we want to look at the chart, we will look at, the vertical axis where it ends, right? Okay, and the value here. And usually for such cases, we will use bar graph, right? Whereby the width here will be constant, right? Will be constant, meaning to say they will be same size. So if they are same size, then the only thing that is different will be the height. And that's why we will definitely look at the height. However, for this, okay, it's a bit confusing because you are not sure to look at the height or to look at the size of the cards, right? Okay, the width, particularly the width, because when we look at bar graph, okay, we talk about equal width, right? So over here, we are going to talk about the width being different in sizes, okay? So how the chart may be misleading, we'll say the width, okay, of the cards or the pictures, okay, are different. And why? And how does it lead to it being misleading when they're different? Okay, the keyword right here, okay, that we usually use is an exaggerated increase in, okay, everything is talking about spending. So in the card spending, okay, why is it exaggerated increase? Just let me explain a little bit here. So instead of looking at the vertical axis, you might look at the size here. And if you look at the size here, you try to, determine how many of these small cards are there in this big card. Okay, you try to actually, okay, cut it. You will think that, oh, okay, actually I can kind of fit, 9 of them here. And you will think that the value in 2016 might be 9 times of 2006. However, if you look at the value, right, this is about close to 20, okay, this is about 50, it's definitely not 9 times. So can you see it exaggerated the increase due to the fact that we're looking at the area, right? Okay, so leading to an exaggerated increase in card spending, okay, if the area of the cards are used for comparison instead of the height, okay, instead of the height, which is the vertical axis, instead of the height. Right, so that's our answer for question 2.